1973 Chevy 8-foot bed, 3/4 ton pickup, all original Cheyenne. Here in Costa Mesa. Get a look at the hardware. Alright. You guys know cars, you know this is a deal. It's a steal. This car rips. Needs a little TLC, but basically the money's just sitting here. Original 97,000 miles. All original interior. Steel truck, baby. Bed. Stick shift, 4 in the floor. So, I actually know how to do something with the leaf. Radio needs to be hooked up, horn needs to be hooked up, simple fixes. Come check it out if you're interested. Price is marked. Everything is negotiable, but make a reasonable offer.